Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beach villa that was exceptionally renovated. The land area is approximately 4,425 square feet. It comes with 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and all the modern comforts and amenities needed to live and spend time comfortably by the beach. It is completely air conditioned and entirely mosquito net with swimming pool. It has a brand new roof. It is ready for you to immediately move in or to be bought as an investment property to rent out long term or as a beach villa. It has a very spacious one-car garage as well as a golf cart garage. The best part is this beautiful home is situated at Silver Sands Estate, Trelawny, and is just a few steps from the magical Silver Sands beach. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 2 million or Jamaican $307.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.